हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 38 रनन मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। टॉपिक है ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। क्वेश्चन है, आपको बताना है कि वेदर द वर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस आर ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव। नेम द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ईच ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब एंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच वर्ब ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन। द हंग्री लायन रोर्स। रोर्स वर्ब हो गया, कैसा हुआ? इंट्रांजिटिव। ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं। द रिपोर्ट प्रूव्ड फॉल्स। प्रूव्ड वर्ब हुआ क्या सेंटेंस? इंट्रांजिटिव। और फॉल्स जो है ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो गया। द बॉय स्टूड ऑन द बर्निंग डेक। स्टूड वर्ब, सेंटेंस आपका इंट्रांजिटिव। ना इसमें आपका कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है और ना ही किसी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का, और ना ही इसमें कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट है। The child had fallen sick. Has fallen verb intransitive. Sick complement. The ass continued braying. Continued verb transitive. Object braying. The wind is cold. Is verb intransitive. Cold complement. The results are out. Are verb intransitive. Out complement. He tried again and again. Tried verb intransitive. We see with our eyes. See verb intransitive. The child fell asleep. Fell verb intransitive. Asleep complement. The weather is hot. Is verb intransitive. Hot complement. They are Europeans. Are verb intransitive. Europeans complement. The rumor seems true. Seems verb intransitive. True complement. Owls hide in the daytime. Hide verb intransitive. Bad boys hide their faults. Hide verb transitive. Their faults object. The poor woman went mad. Went verb intransitive. Mad complement. We waited patiently at the station. Waited verb intransitive. He told a lie. Told verb transitive. A lie object. They elected him president. Elected verb transitive. Him object. President complement. I found her weeping. Found verb transitive. Her object. Weeping complement. He struck that man dead. Struck verb transitive. The man object complement dead. The crow flew down and stole the cheese. Flew verb stole verb. Flew intransitive. Stole transitive. The cheese object. The sky looks threatening. Looks verb intransitive. Threatening complement. They made him general. Made verb transitive. Him object general complement. He waited an hour. Waited verb intransitive. New brooms sweep clean. Sweep verb intransitive. Clean complement. This is your exercise. चलिए सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। अगली एक्सरसाइज।